like editing or posting a blog or article and then adding images like that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Well, believe it or
Mhm.
not, that's like a good.
Uh,
That's not a bad base.
okay.
That's a solid base.
And then
Um.
for Google Hangout, it's my first time to use it. I'm with my previous employer. I'm using Skype.
Okay.
So with this one, this is my first time to use Google Hangout.
I
Uh,
understand.
sorry, I'm I'm having a hard time to copy because I don't have a mouse right
Oh,
now.
you don't? Okay.
Sorry to say, yeah. Just sorry for taking time.
No, no rush at all. I'm glad that you told me. That's not even a problem.
Mhm.
So, is there
Yeah.
someone else I can send it? Would it be easier if I emailed it?
Yeah, please.
Yeah,
Can you
that's
please
no
do?
problem.
Okay, thank you so much.
No, no problem. Let's see. All right. I just sent it off to you.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, I'm already in
Okay.
WordPress. Mhm.
Okay. Cool. Now the next thing I want to go over is how to use this Hangout session. Okay. So
Okay.
when you're in the Hangout,
Mhm.
you see that top row
Okay.
at the top with the person that has a plus sign.
Wait. A person with a plus sign. Is
Yeah.
it on the upper part?
Yes, in the upper part.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how you add. That's how you invite people to it.
Okay.
Next to it is how you mute yourself. So if I want to mute myself,
Okay.
okay, try muting yourself.
I'm sorry. What will I do? Sorry.
No, no problem. Okay,
Okay.
so you see the microphone with the line through it?
Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, you're gonna click that button.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, now click it again to unmute yourself.
Okay.
So that's where the mute button is. Next to it is the video button, and that kills your feed.
Okay.
Okay, and that's pretty
Mhm.
much all you really need up there are those three. The red button there is to hang up and leave the
Okay.
call. Okay.
Mhm. Yes. Okay.
Then to the left, you'll see the chat box.
Mhm. The
You
blue
click it.
one.
Yeah,
Mhm.
the
Okay.
blue document, the chat, it'll pop up, and it's also how you close it. The next one down is really, really important. That is your screen share button.
Okay.
So that's one that we're gonna have to practice using a lot. So what
Mhm.
you do is you just click the button,
Okay.
you select which window you want to show, and you
Mhm.
click share.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So give that a shot real quick. Share one
Mhm.
of your screens or share your screen, please.
Okay. Wait a second. Can you see? I
Yeah.
click on start sharing.
Yep, I can see myself. Okay, so you can go to
Okay.
different tabs.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, you're sharing your whole screen. Yeah, you can share your
Mhm.
whole screen. You
Mhm.
can share just a window. There's
Uh-huh.
multiple opportunities, or there's
Uh-huh.
multiple options with that. Okay,
Okay.
so all right. So now, with that being said, you can turn off the
Mhm.
screen share just by up at the top. It should, yeah,
Mhm.
you can just click it again.
Okay. Okay. Done. Mhm.
Perfect. Okay, so that's how we screen share.
Mhm.
the next thing you're gonna want to do is let's go ahead and take a look at the results marketing test bed that we have here, the Recruit website.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a basic WordPress installation.
Yes.
Okay, it's just a basic WordPress. You've been in this back end before, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what's gonna happen now is I'm just gonna go through this video with you very quickly on the dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
The videos are very, very short, so I think it's best that we actually sit down and see it together.
Okay.
And then after the video, we can discuss. So just
Mm-hmm.
let me know if you can hear the
Okay.
video.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And then, yeah, go to the dashboard.
Okay.
Okay, then what I want you to do is I want you to navigate to the pages
Mm-hmm.
and bring up a list of all pages.
Okay.
That's perfect. Okay, then next thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the tools section, and I want you to pull up the redirection.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then I want you to go to pull up the menus section. It's under the appearance.
Okay.
All right, and the last one is going to be just pulling up the widgets.
Okay.
All right, that's perfect. Okay, now we're gonna jump back into the videos.
Okay.
We're gonna go to, let me see here. Next one we're gonna go to is gonna be number 5.
Number 5. Okay.
How to create and edit pages.
Number
Okay.
5.
Then you have your header, your body scripts, and these are just for specific JavaScript that you want to add to the page.
Uh-huh.
And that is the basic gist of everything in the text area, left side of this page.
Mm-hmm.
On the right side, you have, actually, we'll get back to the right side.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just show you that there's publish.
Okay.
And then remember, there's private and draft.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where you can change it to public, private, you can password protect it. Okay. And then update is where you save it. So what we're going to do now is, before we go through everything else, I want you to practice playing around with the text editor. So, but before we do that, do you have any questions?
Okay. None so far.
None? Okay. All right, let's play around with it. So what I want you to do now is share your screen.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go to pages.
Okay.
And then let's see. Open up the Drinking Water Today page. Cooking in Southeast Louisiana drinking water today. It's at the top.
Oh.
It should be the second page from the top.
This one.
Mm-hmm. Yep, you can click on it, or you can click edit to get in there. Okay. For now, just use the visual tab. Switch over to the visual. Okay, I want you to change the title of the page to say, just add at the end of it, add your name. and then update it. And then I want you to open up the page in a new tab so we can look at it. Well, that was quick. How did you do that?
Uh, I click on update and then preview changes.
Okay, that's a good way to do
Is
it.
that wrong? Oh,
No, that's right. Let me
yeah,
take a look
okay.
at it.
Okay, here.
Okay, that was pretty good. Okay, you can go back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to remove all the content from the content box, and then I'm going to send you some information I want you to put in there instead.
We'll remove this.
Yeah, all of it.
Okay. Okay. And then I'll just wait for the content.
Yeah, I'm about to send it
Okay.
to you right now. All right, so I'm putting it in the chat.
Sorry, I'm taking time to copy again.
Oh, there is no rush. Just take your time.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's difficult for you to copy from there.
Yeah. Sorry, I
That's
don't
fine.
want.
You've done enough.
Yeah.
That's fine. I
All
just
right.
wanted to see that you could copy and paste it in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to just type in any random class into the CSS custom site editor.
CSS custom
Classes.
editor.
Okay, go up.
Okay.
Keeps going up. It should be right under the main box. So keep going up. You should see it right there. See? Custom site
Yeah.
in a class. You can just type anything in there. It's just not even, it won't show up.
I just
Yep.
typed in Monday.
Monday,
Yeah.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, then I want you to just find some information from the internet. It doesn't matter, just a random article, and paste it into the mobile specific editor, and then save it.
Done.
All right, so update the page, and then let's take a look at what you got.
Okay. Okay, and then I'll just hit preview changes. Is that right? To see, to view, sorry. Sorry, my net is slow today.
There's no worries at all.
I don't know why it's slow today. Sorry about the noise also.
Oh, I can't even hear it. That's no problem.
Good. It's good that you... Now, can you see?
Yep, I can see it.
Okay, all right.
Okay, cool. Now, if you pull up that on your phone, you'll be able to see the mobile side of it. What browser are you using? Safari?
Oh, yeah, Safari.
I'm
Do
not
I
sure.
need to use Chrome or what do you prefer?
I prefer Chrome.
Okay.
I don't know if Safari has the ability to. I don't have a Mac, so
Okay.
I
All
don't have
right.
access to it.
I can
Um,
open my Chrome. Yeah.
okay, I'm not sure if because
Mm.
with Chrome you can do a mobile inspect.
Ah, I just open my Chrome. I'm sorry. My net is really slow today. I don't
Okay,
know
yeah,
why.
it's no problem. It's no problem. Yeah, if you
I
pull it
know
up on
in
your
the
phone,
US your net is very fast. Anyway,
yeah.
I opened the Chrome already.
Okay, yeah. If you just follow that URL of the page
Okay,
that you
I'll just
created,
copy the URL. Okay, and
yeah,
then open the link there.
correct. You're gonna have to remove that part that says preview equals true.
Ah,
Okay, no, it still went through.
okay. So
Um,
I need to remove it. The preview equals true.
no, it seems like it went through
Okay,
just fine, so it's no
okay.
big deal. But what you're gonna want to do now is you're gonna want to right click on the screen,
Mm-hmm.
and then you're gonna want to go to inspect element. No, right click on the yeah browser, and then you're gonna go to inspect element.
I'm sorry,
Or
right
sorry,
click and then
go to inspect. It's at the very bottom.
I'm sorry. I
Oh,
don't know where to
you
go.
don't
Sorry.
have a right click.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think it's option click.
Okay. Option. Then click. I'm doing it already. Where do I need to go? I just do it manually.
Let me see if there's a way to do it manually.
Sorry because when
Okay, there we go.
started using a laptop, I didn't want to use any mouse. I'm just using the what you call this on the laptop.
Keyboard?
Yeah, the commands.
That's no problem. I'm trying to figure it out myself. I never
Okay.
use it, so um, but yeah, if you go to the three bars, okay, see where the address bar is?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, see the star to the right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, next to it is the three.
Ah,
Yep,
okay.
you
Oh,
click on
sorry,
there.
sorry. I'm so
No problem.
slow. Sorry. Okay.
Oh,
And
no
then,
problem. And then let's see, more tools,
Mars. Okay.
and then you'll see developer tools.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now see on that thing, do you see the arrow at the
Mm-hmm.
top where you're at? Yeah, that one.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Next to it,
Okay.
if you click on that.
The toggle device toolbar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Ay, cool.
Yep. As it happens.
Sorry, sorry. Then I just want to share again my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Here. Yeah. Here it is. When I click on the toggle device toolbar,
Yeah, you can see it,
this
right? Okay.
happens, yeah, for the
Yeah.
mobile view. Okay.
So do you see where it says responsive there
Responsive.
on the left side?
Yeah, yeah.
You can
Mm-hmm.
change that to like I
Oh,
use you can
wow.
use iPhone 6, iPhone 6
Oh,
Plus.
okay. iPhone 6 Plus.
Okay.
Wow.
So
I
that'll show
didn't
you.
know there are tools like okay.
Yeah, I think Firefox has it, Chrome has it. I don't know if
Mhm.
Safari has it.
Safari. I'm using Safari, but I don't know where to do it. Okay.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
either to be honest.
Thank you
So
for thank you for teaching me.
no, no problem.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is you want to scroll down and just read what it says
Mm-hmm.
and see if it's the same stuff that you wrote down earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, actually, first refresh the page. Refresh the page.
Okay.
There it goes.
Mm,
See how
yes,
it
yeah,
changed to the
that's
mobile
right. The
specific?
plastic. I'm good.
Tired?
Not really.
Okay. All
Okay. Can you
right.
still see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can still see
Okay.
yours. Can you see mine?
Okay. I'm okay.
All right. Let's get right back into it. So
Mm-hmm.
now pages are a thing that's going to take time to fully grasp
Mm-hmm.
because there's
Okay.
so much to it, right?
Yes. Yes.
But the basic things you need to grasp are the header or the title, then the content box,
Okay.
and understanding the difference between the visual and the text tab. Now we try not to use the text tab, the visual tab, if possible.
Yes. Yeah.
The
Mm-hmm.
reason why is because sometimes the formatting that you see here
Uh-huh.
is not what actually happens when you look at the page.
Okay.
So it's actually easier to build it on the text
Mm-hmm.
and then click over and see what you see on the visual.
Mm-hmm.
So when we get done with this, I'm going to send you some information on basic HTML and
Mm-hmm.
how to use it,
Uh-huh.
and then that way tomorrow when we get into it, we can mess around more with the text tab.
Okay.
But for now, let's go on to the next video.
Okay.
Um, oh no, one last thing, adding
Mm-hmm.
a page. So to add a page
Uh,
on here,
okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
there's add page button here, add new. It's next to edit page. You see it?
Yes. Yes. The admin.
Then also in the sidebar menu under all pages, you see add new there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how you would create a new page.
Okay.
This right side, every one of our pages have what's called a page topic. It's basically like a category.
Mm-hmm.
So if you make a page
Okay.
that's a home page, it's labeled as home page.
Mm-hmm.
If you make a contact page, it's labeled as contact. This allows us to easily identify what kind of page we're using.
Okay.
As of right now, we don't use page tags, but I think in the near future you'll start to see diversification in the page tag.
Mm-hmm.
Like I could easily see us having multiple salt pages, and then the tag being split test or salt page 2, something like that.
Okay.
different page have different attributions, as in parents. So you can, that's what they were talking about, where you have different parent pages and stuff like that. That was in the video. This does not come up very often, but it is something that you should just be aware of.
Okay.
Template is also something, but we don't really, that doesn't concern us too much. Neither does the schema. That doesn't concern us too much. The landing page experience does. So if you go back to that page that you were working on,
Here.
Okay, if you scroll down and you click on hide page title.
Page title. This one.
Yeah. Now update it and take a look at the page.
Okay. Okay. Already preview it.
Did you see the difference?
Yes.
What changed?
The title was gone.
Perfect. Yeah. The title is gone. So if you go back to the back end,
Here.
you scroll down, you can see all the various options of things you can hide.
On the landing page experience.
Yeah. You see you can hide the title, the different widgets, you can hide all kinds of stuff. Now underneath that is the mobile landing page experience.
Okay.
And that's for hiding it on mobile. See where it says use global settings?
Yes.
We can set global settings elsewhere, but on a per page basis, uncheck that box.
Okay.
And you can see that different stuff is checked there.
Yes.
You see? So go ahead and click use global settings again.
Okay.
And that'll hide that. So those are the biggest things to take away from this. It's quite a lot.
Yes,
it took us like 30, 40 minutes just to get through that by itself. So what we're going to want to do is every 2 or 3 videos, we're going to come back and make a new page or edit a page. Okay. Because we want to make sure that we stay strong when it comes to working on pages, since that's going to be a large percentage of what's done on a daily basis. So now, next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and get started on the next video. The next video is going to be adding photos and images.
Number 6. Okay. How to add photos and images. Okay. And
Hey Maria, if you're there, you're muted. I can't hear you.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. There we go.
Okay, good.
Internet connection?
Yes, again.
I understand, no problem.
I'm sorry about that.
No worries.
Okay. So, I'm done with, how to add photos and images.
Okay, you already done?
Yeah, I'm done with watching the video.
Okay, then let's talk about the video.
Okay.
So, did you have any questions on it?
None so far.
Okay. Let's go back to that page you were working on.
Okay. I'm on the right page. Is this the one? Okay.
Okay. So, as far as adding media goes for us, you see where you are in the text editor?
Yes.
That's where we're gonna practice this. So, what you're gonna do is, after all that text, click on the page. Oh no, stay where you are. Stay on that page, but in that box.
Yeah. So I'm there again.
Okay. So go ahead and click in the box.
I'm sorry, where will I go?
Yeah, you're gonna. Okay, here actually, I'll show you first. Okay, so
Okay.
see my page. Okay,
Um,
so you can click anywhere in this content box.
uh,
What I was saying is you click at the bottom. Can you see my screen?
no,
You can't see it?
no, I can't see it. Now I can see your screen.
Oh, okay.
Now I can see you.
Okay. And so now you should be able to see my screen again.
Yeah, now I can see your screen.
Okay.
Mm,
So after all this text, there's a bunch of text here.
mm,
At the bottom, what I do is I go to add media.
okay.
You see that button right there?
Yes. Add media.
Add media. And then there's multiple ways to go from here. You got your library.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very self-explanatory. There's just a bunch of
Mm-hmm.
images on here that you
Yeah.
can pick from. Or you can upload your own file.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just going to use one that's already there right now.
Mm-hmm.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, on whatever image.
Uh-huh.
See, it has the name of it already.
Yes.
Has a title.
Mm-hmm.
What we're going to want to do is type in alternate text that explains what's going on. So, woman on phone. We don't typically use captions here unless someone specifically tells us to.
Ah,
Okay. Attachment settings. Okay, so you can align it left, right, or center. Usually we don't add that. We just leave it none. But for this example, I use center.
okay.
You can add a link, but it's better not to.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's every image has 3 different sizes: full size, medium size, and thumbnail.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they're the same size. Like this one, the thumbnail and the medium are the same size. You're gonna want to choose which size is best for you.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna click insert into page. Then you'll see it show up here. Now, once it shows up here, you're not done yet. So this is called the URL of a page. So the image comes from this source
Okay.
right here. What we're gonna want to do is starting here, the HTTP, we're gonna delete everything all the way until /WP content. The reason why is this right here, everything after /WP content. If this is all that's here, the website will automatically put this first part in there. Okay? So if it goes /WP content, it's going to automatically fill that in for you. You don't have to fill it in. Now, where that becomes useful is when we go from one site to another, we may copy pages. We'll take a page from this site, we'll move it to another site. And we want to use the image from that website, not the image from this website. So let's say I'm on website 1 and I need to copy a page from website 1 to website 2. Okay? The image exists on website 1, the image exists on website 2.
Okay.
When you copy the page from website 1 to website 2, you want to make sure that the image is using the same image but on website 2. You don't want it using all the images from website 1, because what that's going to do is, if you're doing that for 50, 100 sites, what you're going to do is slow down website 1, because every time that image is called, they have to go pull it from website 1. So it's faster if it has its own image and it calls it from itself. So that's why this is very important. Okay?
Yes.
So let me recap all of that.
Okay.
So
I have a question before.
Okay.
Sorry to butt in.
No problem.
For the image, when I what you call this when I add it there, I have to delete it, right? The HTTP up to before the WP, right?
Yes.
Every time.
Every time.
Okay.
Not every time. Okay, sometimes
Mm-hmm.
If it's coming from a different website,
Uh-huh.
it's okay to leave it. Like this right
Uh,
here, it's
uh,
coming from the New York Times,
okay.
right? If it's
Mm-hmm.
coming from another website then
Mm-hmm.
that we do not own, then that's not an
Yes.
issue
Ah,
because
okay.
we can't control that.
Okay. I understand.
However, most of the time, we're gonna
Mm-hmm.
be copying a version of that image and uploading it ourselves. So
Mm-hmm.
anything that we're copying and uploading ourselves, we have to make sure that we're using the what we call the relative URL.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Oh,
called
that's what
relative.
it's called. Okay. Relative URL. Okay.
Yeah, it's called relative because it has to
Mm-hmm.
deal with this website and this website only.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Now I understand. Okay.
That makes sense, right?
Mm, yes, yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna recap how
Mm,
to
okay,
add the
go ahead.
images.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go to. You're gonna find where you want. So okay. So this time I'll put it here. I'll put it
Mm-hmm.
in the middle of the text. Okay.
Okay.
Then you're gonna go add media. You're gonna find the image you want. This time I'll use this guy.
Uh-huh.
Actually, this looks comfortable. You're gonna add your alt text, which is gonna be shampoo the hair, and then you're gonna go. This one's center. This one only has one size, full size, which is small, and no link. Insert into page. As soon as it gets here, we're gonna find where the WP content is. We're gonna delete everything before it. Make sure you leave the slash,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna hit update. Actually, we can just preview changes. And there she is.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to try it.
Okay.
So go ahead and screen share with me, and
Mm-hmm.
then I want you to just add an image to the bottom of that page, and then another image to the top of that page.
Okay. On the bottom and on the top, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
And you're gonna want to use the text tab. I want to
Ah,
get you
yeah.
to use.
Sorry. The text tab. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, perfect.
Can I use any image,
Yep.
even if it's not related with the article? Okay.
Yeah, just any image is fine. It just make sure you use the medium size of it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm done.
All right, there's one step that you're missing from both of them.
Oh, okay. Uh, Sorry, question. Will
Yes.
I leave the slash and then the apostrophe?
Which apostrophe?
Yeah, sorry. Not apostrophe. What's
Quotation mark?
yeah, the
Yes.
quotation mark. Do
Yes.
I leave that? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, done.
Okay. And then let's take a look at the page and see if it rendered
Okay.
properly.
I can keep the previous one.
Did you update it?
Yeah, I've already updated it, but I can click on preview changes now.
Click on
I
it.
don't know.
All right, then take a look at the other tab. Sometimes it doesn't open up the other tab.
Okay. Here.
Hmm. There.
Sometimes it doesn't open.
Yeah, it'll make the change, but it won't open for you. You have to click on it.
Ah, automatically. Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so go back and change the bottom image. So remove the bottom image and
Mm-hmm.
then make it something different.
Okay. Here. And then I'll click update. And
And
then
then
preview change. Here.
perfect.
Okay.
Okay. All right, that's pretty
Mm-hmm.
perfect. So that's how you add images. Okay.
Okay.
Then the next thing we're gonna go to is number. It looks like we're gonna skip
And
number
then,
7.
okay. Then number 8.
Yeah, we're gonna go to number 8.
Using the okay. Like,
Now,
okay.
if you go back to the text, there's some extra little stuff
Mm-hmm.
that you can add, but for now, I think that should be just fine.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is I want you to link me on the thing that you're building.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to link 2 links to any 2 websites that you want to link to
Okay. So
on any
only
of the
the
text.
yeah, sorry. Only on the text, right?
What you're gonna
I'm
do?
sorry. Only with the words, not on the image. I will do the links.
Yeah, don't use the image as a link.
Okay.
Use just the text as a link.
Okay.
you don't mind screen sharing, that'd be awesome. I want to be able to
Oh,
see what
yeah.
you do.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
oh, no worries.
Wait a sec. I thought I was on the screen. Now can you see my screen?
All right, there we go.
Okay. Here's
Okay,
what
that's
I've
one.
done.
All right, and then make one more link somewhere else.
Okay.
But make it a one-page link.
I'm sorry.
Or, sorry, one-word link.
Okay. Okay, done.
All right, it looks like you pretty much got that figured out. Let's preview it, see how it looks, see
Okay.
how it functions.
Mm, here. And then, do you want me to click one?
Yeah, feel free to click on
Okay.
it, see what it does.
Here.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, that's how you create links. Okay, now
Mm,
moving on. Okay,
okay.
it's already in 10:25. Okay, so we're gonna take our last break here.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. Well. All right. So we're wrapping up in about
Mm,
25 minutes.
mm-hmm.
Um. We've kind of gone over pages. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna personally. I think we're gonna go ahead and go back and do posts.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna
Okay.
do adding a new post, and then we're gonna leave the sidebar and the menus for tomorrow. But that's pretty
Okay.
much it. So we're
Okay.
almost completely done
Mm-hmm.
with this version of it.
Okay.
So what we'll do now is go ahead and watch the how to create a new post. It's like 5 minutes long. It's super short. Um, go ahead and read through that,
Mm-hmm.
and then
So, I'm sorry, what number is it?
that's number two.
Number. How to create a new post?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna do number two and three, and then we're gonna do a quick recap, and then we're gonna call it a day.
Okay. Okay. So I'll just play this and then I'll inform you if I'm done with the video.
Yeah, with number two, yeah, and then we'll go through it together.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. I'm here. Let's talk about posts. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
posts are pretty much almost exactly like pages, right? You can
Mm-hmm.
tell, right?
Yeah.
So go ahead and create a new post.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see the post on there for you.
Yeah. Here.
There it is. Okay. Go ahead and
Okay.
yeah, go ahead and create a new post.
Okay.
Okay. You can title
Mm-hmm.
it whatever you want to,
Okay.
and just add content to the page,
Mm-hmm.
link out to another page, and then add two images, one at the beginning and one at the end.
So how many links do you want me to link?
Two total.
Two and then two image also.
Two images, two
Okay.
links,
Okay.
and yeah, title and everything.
All right. Okay. Oh, wait. Can I just copy from other article or blog
Yeah,
site?
yeah, you can
Okay.
copy the
Thank
article.
you.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
no problem.
All right.
No, I don't actually expect you to write it.
Okay.
You're good on that.
I'm, I'm thinking what to look for. Okay. Here.
Okay. And then you saved it?
Not yet.
Okay. Go ahead and save it and post it.
Okay. Will I publish it or save it to draft?
Just preview it is really all that matters. I just want to see it
Okay.
in
Preview. Okay.
live.
Preview. Here's the preview.
That's pretty nice. That looks really good.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, even if it's only a trial, uh, a test, what you call this post. Okay.
Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Mhm.
what we're gonna do tomorrow is when we get started
Okay.
is we're going to first take a look at making that page with nothing but HTML.
Okay. I know. I need to learn
Yeah, well, there's
that.
not too much HTML for you to learn.
Uh-huh.
There's a little bit.
Only the basics. Okay.
There's a little,
Only to be familiar. Okay.
so there's 3 pages.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna send you these ones first. So let me
Okay.
see. I'm gonna send it to your email.
Alright.
Were you getting my emails?
Yeah.
Okay.
You've been sending links, but while I was doing the test, the post, I didn't notice that I was
Notice.
already cut off, and then you were sending another link to the
Gotcha.
Google Hangout.